Hello guys from Southern Oak Nursery and Supply. My name is Nasos Georgalis and I work with Epilysis Solutions in Charlotte, and we are a marketing agency. As I told you over the phone, we are working with landscaping material companies like you in all over the country, and I was doing some research in your area and I came across your business, and I checked that you don't have a website and that you only have this Facebook page over here. I figured that I could give you guys this quick little video to give you some tips on what you can do if you had a website and how you could beat your competition online. I'll show you some of the things that I can see that are working well for your competition, and you can get some ideas if you want to create a website. So I don't want to waste your time and my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can grow your business and help you bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The three different topics that I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. So starting with the content, when we have a website, let's take for instance a website that the guy who seems to be like a main competitor of yours, for instance over here, Triangle Landscape Supplies in Raleigh, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these guys, so they have locations in Raleigh, in Mooresville, and Gardner, and Apex. In your front page here, your content should be typically around 1500 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count in order to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. As you can understand, here in the first page we are using all these 1500 words in order to rank ourselves for keywords and for the search engines to see us. So the first tip I'm giving you guys when you will decide to build a website is that you need to have a first page with a keyword-rich content that's unique, and so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook, but as we said earlier, a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords in order to rank higher. These guys here, they don't have 1500 words, but they rank quite high. You'll see later, I will explain later. These guys, which is another competitor of yours, they don't have 1500 words in their website. It looks nice, it looks professional, but they are lacking the content that it's necessary for them to rank very high. We will see what I'm talking about in a second. So the second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if we do a search here, landscape material, Raleigh and Knightdale, you will see that the map section here, following the search query, we see basically these three businesses here. Okay, and if we click here, we can see more map results. In order for you to be on top of this map listing, the first 3 places, this has to do a lot with citations. Naturally, you will ask yourself, what are citations and how do I get them, right? Well, a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. And a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2? And with citations, in order for you to beat out your competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and then you want to try to get in those same directories, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you guys. But however, you don't want to just stop there, because in order for you to really beat out your competition and rank higher, you will need to make sure that you're doing what they're doing and then add a little bit more. And so that is kind of what matters the most, as how to rank your company here in the maps. So that is why many times you see in the maps listings of companies that they don't have a website. They just have, like you, established and have connected the Google My Business. They have claimed the Google My Business listing. And so by having these citations, they can rank and be visible in the map section. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that could be, for example, a local news company that did a story on you, and then they link the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So using a tool that we have here called Ahrefs, and for which as an agency we pay almost $1,000 a month, we get a good idea of what's working well for you and what's not. Here, because we don't have a website, we have Triangle Landscape Supplies the domain, and we see that they have 86 referring domains that gives them 1,120 backlinks. If we click on that, we will see that most of it are here is directories. So you see Yellow Pages, MapQuest. You see mainly directories. And in any case, if we go back here, this is not 100% accurate, but it gives us an idea, and it shows us what's happening in someone's website and how he's ranking. So in order for someone to truly beat their competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in, and then get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. So just like the citations with the backlinks, we want to make sure that you are in more places. So in this case, it's giving him 2,900 keywords. That's a lot of keywords he's ranking over here. So he's doing something with his content. If you click, he has more and more, and he tried to utilize the content in a way that gives him the opportunity to rank higher. However, the way that his website is set, it's, in my opinion, confusing and not easy to read. It's quite old also and outdated, but with the tools that we have today, you can have both a beautiful website that is ranking really well. If I had a business, I wouldn't go with that, to be honest with you. So, but also it's very interesting to see that this website ranks better than this one that looks nicer. So looks, it's not always what it seems, and it doesn't mean that it helps you rank higher. So as I said, this tool is not 100% accurate, but it gives us an idea, and with the keywords that someone is ranking for, it gives us an idea of what we need to target from their keywords in order for us to go and use it in our website in order to overtake them. The most accurate and up-to-date information that someone can have from a website, it's coming from Google Analytics if you set it up correctly in your website. But we get an idea where their traffic is coming from. So this guy over here, if we go back, they have approximately 2,300 people visiting their website. Okay, 2,300 people. While these guys over here would feel they have 33 people on average visiting their website every month. So, and you see he's only having 3 referring domains that give him 3 backlinks. He ranks for quite few words over here, but then again, his position is not the one. He doesn't have not even one first place. And if you had a website built in a correct way, you could easily overcome this guy and overtake him. So basically, you know what you need to do in order to beat your competition. And as I said, all you have to do if you build a website is you just gotta get in more places than your competition to truly beat them out online. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can help grow your business and bring you some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you for your time and hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.